If you're looking for a visual design tip that will elevate any slide or graphic, you've got to check out this feature. When you think of graphic design, does your mind automatically jump to fonts, colors, and polished visuals? I know that's what usually comes to mind for me. Luckily, there's an easy way you can enhance your graphic design in seconds with just a simple alignment trick. We'll go from this to this in just a couple of clicks. You can see that I'm starting in PowerPoint for this, but you'll find this formatting feature that I'm about to show you in Articulate Storyline, Google Slides, and Canva. So I'm working on this slide that has 3 text boxes, and right now I just copy and pasted each text box to enter in my new text. I'm just kind of trying to eyeball it and get them even on the screen. But here's the thing, eyeballing it is not going to be precise. In visual design, precision and consistency takes your slides to the next level. So let's get these to be evenly spaced across the page and perfectly aligned to each text box. First of all, I'm going to hold down Control on my keyboard and then select each of the things I want to align. If you're on a Mac, you'll hold down Command instead. Now, I will go up into my Shape Format ribbon, and I'm going to choose Align and Distribute horizontally. So now this one just shifted slightly, but I have an even amount of space in between each text box. Next thing I want to do is go back to Align, and I'm going to align each text box to the top of the other text box, and now you can see they are perfectly aligned at the top and spread out across the page. And that's it for this slide. I can do the same thing after I add images and align my images to the text boxes, align the images to each other to make sure that everything is consistently spaced. You can test out the other alignment options depending on how your slide is set up, and if you make a mistake or you just don't like something, just hit undo and try again.